Hello students, you are watching IGCSE Physics free lesson series. In this series, you will find all the lessons you need. So I recommend you follow the series completely for better result in exam. Wish you good luck for a bright future. Hello students, the topic we are going to learn today is measurement. What is measurement actually? Measurement is a process of finding an unknown physical quantity. Physical quantity means anything that can be measurable. It could be a length, volume, and temperature. For accurate measurement, we use different type of instrument. Like for length, we could be use a meter rule. For volume, measuring cylinder. For temperature, thermometer. The first physical quantity we are going to discuss here, that is length. So first, recall the concept of length by using the few example. Length could be a height of tower, length of feather, diameter of cylinder, etc. Now we will talk about some measuring instrument. The first measuring instrument we are going to discuss here, that is meter rule. Meter rule is used to measure different type of length. It could be a length of pencil, length of pendulum, dimensions of a cube like its length, depth and height. Now we will learn how to read the ruler. So look at this picture. Starting with the left hand side, you can see here the short forms like mm and cm. mm is used for the millimeter, cm is used for the centimeter, and these are called the units. So if you are going to measure length by using this meter rule, so you will use this unit. Look at this. This is the upper scale. It will read the numbers in millimeter unit. This is the bottom scale. If you are using this scale, you will read the numbers in centimeter scale. Now move on to the upper scale, how to read the numbers from here. Start with the 0. Then this is the first line, how to read it. This is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, and same 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 millimeter. If you are using the bottom scale, you will follow the same method. You will start with 0, then 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So after the 0, the first line, if you are using the upper scale, is equals to 1 millimeter, and if you are using the bottom scale, your first line after the 0 is equals to 1 centimeter. Now move on to the exercise. I took this question from the past papers, and it will help you to understand how to measure the length of objects by using a meter rule. Look at the picture. What is the question we have? What is the length of the feather? First of all, you will select where is the starting point of the feather. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point. And what we need to measure this portion. That will be the length of feather. So if you are following the upper scale, you will read the length in millimeter. So starting with the left hand side till this point, you measure the length of feather is 20 millimeter. If you are using the bottom scale, you will start with the same point, and this is the ending point of the feather you can see here, and this is the length we need. So from starting till ending point, it is the length of the feather, and it is equals to centimeter. One more question from the past papers. What we have, what is the length of feather? But the condition is that you need to measure length in millimeter scale. One thing you can see here, what is the difference between this question and the previous one? The main difference is that the feather is not placed at the beginning of the scale. So if you have this situation, your object is not placed at the beginning of the scale, then how to measure the length by using the ruler? So you will follow this technique. First of all, mark the initial point of the object like feather. This is the initial, and you can see here this is showing number 10 or 10 millimeter. Then you will find the final point or ending point. It is showing here 30 millimeter. And what we need to measure this length, and that will be the length of the feather. What type of relation we need to solve this question? Follow this equation. The length of any object is equals to final reading minus initial reading. And you know well, in this question, the final reading is 30 millimeter, initial reading is 10 millimeter. Subtract these numbers, then you will get the exact length 20 millimeter, and that is the result of this question. At the end of the lesson, thank you very much. Like and share this video, subscribe the channel, and keep watching this series to getting the A star in physics. Wish you good luck.